I don't know how to invest in crypto market. Tell me bro, how can I start?
No worries, mate. Actually, it's simple. Let's break it down step by step. First, start by learning about different cryptocurrencies and how blockchain technology works. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Next, start small. Begin with a small investment to get a feel for how the market behaves. Now, diversify your portfolio. Spread your investment across various cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Don't just stick to the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Explore other options like KPK coin, altcoins. Lastly, stay informed and updated. Continuous learning is key to successful investment. Keep yourself updated with the latest news, tech advancement and regulatory changes in the crypto space using Koinpark app.
Thanks bro.
No problem. And hey, don't forget the most important step. Follow Koinpark for more engaging crypto related videos.